Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to use the two-part 3D silicone mold. So Avaler has these really cool molds where you have these characters, really cool designs that it's basically like you model something out of fondant and you don't need to know how to model anything. You can just use these molds. They're really easy to use and you get amazing results with these. So you can see one part has these little pins here, and another one has these holes. It's just to help you align the mold together. Just put the pin in the hole. Make sure they match nicely. And now you need to use the rubber bands just to hold it together and make sure the mold isn't moving anywhere. So for these big molds, I use 3 rubber bands. For the smaller ones, you only need 2. You're going to put one on the top, one in the middle, one on the bottom. So the way this mold works is basically the character is upside down in the mold. So we're basically piping the chocolate on the bottom of the character that we have here. So I'm using our compound chocolate and place it in a piping bag and cut a fairly large hole in the piping bag. So I'm going to push the piping bag way deep as much as I can and push to get the chocolate out and tap it. Really important to tap so the chocolate goes into all those little nooks and crevices and, you know, his little hair or his feet or whatever it is. And again, push my piping bag in, push the chocolate out. I usually do like 3 times, 3 inclusions of tapping. This really gets rid of all the air pockets and air bubbles in there as well. And last one. I'm going a little bit into the legs here. And again, tap. If after tapping I see I need a little bit of more chocolate, I can just add just a little bit. Don't need a lot. It needs to be flat. Okay, and now I'm gonna just scrape down whatever excess chocolate I have, if any. That's it. Now, if you want to put a skewer in, this will be the time. Just place the skewer in there. Then obviously you can attach it to the cake. I'm not going to do that. I just want to show you how it looks like after we demold it without the skewer in. So it's up to you. And then we're going to place this in the freezer for about 20 minutes. You can put this in the fridge. It will take longer. If you have time, you can do that. So I'm going to show you how it looks like after I place it in the freezer. Okay, so our mold has been 20 minutes in the freezer. Now it's time to demold it. So I'm going to take off the rubber bands. Watch the magic happens. So I'm going to pull on the silicone. Take one part out. And I'm just pulling on the sides of the silicone. You need to be careful with the chocolate, but not with the silicone, because you can really pull on it. It's fine. You can take it. And I'm basically doing the same thing that I did with the flat molds when I'm going to push with my fingers underneath the chocolate. Pull it very gently. Don't want anything to break. And there we go. We have our beautiful 3D character. So this looks really nice. I'm going to use black and gold. Again, just a luster dust or edible food color mixed with alcohol. And I'm gonna start with this little nose. I'm gonna color it black. So the best way would probably be to just lay him down. Just go over with the brush on the tip of his nose. You need a very, very small brush. Turn it around, just so it'll be easier for you. It's all about patience here. Gonna do the same for the eyes. Just take your time with this. Once you feel you're done, stop. If you have a tendency like me to just, oh, maybe just a little bit, and then I ruin it. Okay, now I'm gonna do the hearts with gold. Again, I'm gonna lay it down. Go over this middle part of the heart with the gold luster dust. And it has this 2 little hearts on its feet. Gonna go over them as well. Obviously, you can do this any color you want. You don't have to make the bear white. You can do it pink, blue, whatever you want to do with it. Don't have to color these parts if you don't want. You can color them red or pink. It doesn't have to be a luster dust. And there we go. We have this gorgeous 3D character. You can put it on top of cake. For smaller versions, you can put it on top of cupcakes. Really is versatile and so easy to use and get really, really stunning results. So I hope you're going to use these molds by Avaler and have fun while creating them. And check this video whenever you need to remember how to use them. But once you get the hang of it, it's really easy and it goes really fast. You don't have to worry about that. So enjoy your beautiful creations.